$150 Chinese shotgun. Pull!
Got it.
I jammed, but I got it anyway. Pull!
Got it.
All right, I'm gonna do a few self-thrown.
It's ready to see the like this. Nice. Yeah! Oh, that's on camera. Carry those around me. Just be like, woo! Smash. Oh! Start carrying around. He wants to be like, Jesus Christ.
And my finger is bleeding from shooting.
Ready to rock, paper, scissors? What first? Weird. No, it's a good call.
Out here hunting wild clays. Got most of them with the shotguns in the air. There we go. Beautiful sunset. Oh look, one left and one shot too. This is a gimme. Yep, we're out. Well, this is gonna be a little bit of a while. Picking up all this. But other than the clays, try to leave it cleaner than when I arrived. When we arrived, they left. I'm cleaning up. All right, well, beautiful evening, sun setting over the Oahes. Maybe this GoPro will pick up the moon up there. I thought I would just show how much grass and trash I was able to pick up just by taking like an extra 15 minutes after I finished up shooting. You know, it's really important to pick up trash after you go out shooting, and I know that some people might be like, oh, you're an enviro Nazi, whatever, for saying that, but really, guys, it's just good to keep the areas clean because the government will shut this kind of thing down. And I, for one, absolutely love the freedom I have to come out here and exercise my Second Amendment right and hone my proficiency with different firearms and be able to do that in a uncontrolled setting like this where you're free to do different types of drills and just enjoy yourself and not have to pay and be at an indoor range. So yeah, guys, that's the message, and keep our outdoors nice so that we don't lose the right to enjoy them. All right, well, this is Premix Peter, or just Peter, signing off.